In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Trello members. This process will take just about 5 minutes, and I'm here to help guide you through it step by step. First, let's head over to the Trello website by entering the URL, or by simply searching Trello in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the main Trello page, you'll notice a section prompting you to capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. This is where we begin. Go ahead and click that section to proceed. Next, you'll need to log into your Trello account if you're not already signed in. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click it. Enter your credentials on the login page. If you use Trello alongside other Atlassian products, you might be prompted with the Unified Identity login screen. Just use your usual email and password combination to access your account. Once that's done, let's move on to the Trello workspace. Now navigate to your Trello workspace. You can usually find a link to this in the top navigation bar, labeled simply as Workspaces, or in some cases directly as your workspace if you've customized it. Once you're in your workspace, you'll see a list of all your boards. Click on the specific board you wish to work with. This brings us to our next step. Within the board view, look for the Workspace tab. It's generally located somewhere towards the top or side of your board interface, depending on your Trello board layout and theme settings. Clicking on this will bring up a panel with various options related to your workspace management. One of the most critical steps is selecting the Members option. Locate this in the Workspace panel. It's usually presented as a tab or button. Clicking it will reveal a list of all the current members associated with your board. Once you're looking at the members list, find the member you want to remove. Depending on the number of members and the frequency of collaborations on the board, this list could be quite extensive, but it should be alphabetically ordered to help you find names more efficiently. Upon locating the member, you'll notice a small cross or remove option next to their name. Click this button to initiate the removal process. You might be prompted to confirm your choice. Just proceed as you see fit. And there you have it. The member has now been successfully removed from your Trello board. It's as straightforward as that. I hope this guide helped you navigate the process smoothly. Remember, a well-managed board is essential for efficient teamwork, and maintaining control over who has access is a big part of that. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.